What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to properly drink Juggernaut Energy. I'll be assisted by my lovely sidekick Luna and also Nala. So, way to correctly drink it, you need to first assemble your items. So as you can see, I have a spoon, obviously the Juggernaut, and then a glass of water. So that's actually a very important step. You want to have the water in the glass before you put the mix in, because one of the owners of Juggernaut actually told me that for it to best dissolve, it needs to go in the water and not have the water on top of it so it doesn't clump up at the bottom. So you have all that assembled, you have the water in the glass, so let's mix it up. So you take one level scoop out of the Juggernaut and you just dump it in. Dump it in, just like that. And then another tip that I saw from a friend, if you have a full Juggernaut tub, you can't put it straight in like this. It doesn't fit. So you actually just flip it around and stick the back in. Very easy, very simple. And then you stir up your Juggernaut. It should start dissolving as soon as you put it in. Just stir it up until all the clumps are gone. Enjoy. Say bye. Okay.